Welcome to Let Me Share a Fun Fact, Curious Minds, to another journey through some of the most fascinating corners of our world and beyond. Today, we're diving into everything from the extraordinary survival skills of animals to hidden secrets of history, and even some of the quirkiest laws and natural wonders out there. Ever wondered how a spider's silk is engineered to perfection, or why North Korea has such a peculiar stance on denim? Or maybe you've always been intrigued by ancient forests that still stand as they did thousands of years ago. Well, you're in the right place! Buckle up as we unravel these incredible stories, each with its own unique twist, ready to surprise, amaze, and maybe even make you see things in a whole new light. Spider monkeys, masters of the canopy with prehensile tails. The spider monkeys have an impressive superpower, prehensile tails. These tails are so strong and flexible that they act almost like a fifth hand, providing a unique advantage in their tree-filled habitats. Measuring up to 35 inches long, a spider monkey's tail can grip branches with a firm, yet delicate touch, allowing them to swing and move effortlessly through the dense forest canopy. This extraordinary adaptation is especially helpful when they reach for food like fruits, leaves, or seeds, as it frees up their hands for gathering. The tail even has a sensitive, hairless patch at the tip, giving it an almost fingertip-like precision. This makes the tail not just a balancing tool but a versatile appendage, crucial for their survival. It's a perfect example of nature's ingenuity, allowing these primates to navigate their environment with unmatched grace and agility. In a dense forest where competition for resources is high, the spider monkey's extra hand gives it a serious edge. The wolf pack, a family with a purpose. Wolves are more than just fierce predators, they live in packs with a social structure that rivals that of human families. Each pack is led by an alpha pair, typically a dominant male and female, but every member has a role to play. From hunting to protecting the territory, the entire group works together to ensure survival. One of the most touching aspects of wolf pack life is how all members help care for the pups. This sense of community extends beyond bloodlines, as older wolves and even non-related members often assist in feeding and babysitting the younger ones. This cooperative behavior ensures that the next generation is well cared for, increasing the chances of the pack's long-term survival. The bonds in a wolf pack are so strong that they communicate through a complex array of vocalizations, body language, and even facial expressions. This intricate social system makes wolves not only survivors of the wild but also fascinating symbols of loyalty and teamwork. Tahiti's black pearls, nature's hidden gems. Tahiti, the crown jewel of the French Polynesia, is renowned for a treasure that lies beneath its turquoise waters, rare black pearls. Unlike the traditional white pearls, Tahitian black pearls captivate with their deep, mysterious hues, ranging from dark green to deep purple and even silver. These pearls are cultivated inside the black-lipped oyster, a mollusk that thrives in the clear lagoons surrounding Tahiti. The process of pearl formation is a natural marvel. A tiny irritant enters the oyster, and over time, layers of nacre build up, creating a beautiful pearl with a unique, metallic luster. The rarity and labor-intensive process make these pearls highly valuable and sought after worldwide. Tahiti has become synonymous with these lustrous gems, attracting collectors, jewelry makers, and tourists alike. For many, owning a Tahitian black pearl is like possessing a piece of the ocean's magic, making them symbols of elegance and the rich cultural heritage of this stunning island. Butterflies, tasting the world with their feet. Did you know that butterflies taste with their feet? It may sound odd, but these delicate insects have evolved to use their legs for more than just walking. Their feet are equipped with chemoreceptors, tiny sensory structures that allow them to taste or detect the chemical composition of surfaces they land on. This ability is especially useful when choosing where to lay their eggs. A female butterfly will tap her feet on a leaf to see if it's the right type of plant for her larvae to feed on once they hatch. If the plant is suitable, she'll lay her eggs there, ensuring her offspring have a ready food source. This sensory adaptation is crucial for survival, helping butterflies make quick decisions in the wild. It's fascinating to think that something as simple as landing on a leaf is a carefully calculated act, guided by the intricate feedback from sensors on their feet. It's just another way butterflies showcase the marvels of nature's design. Glass frogs, nature's window to the inside. Glass frogs are one of nature's most intriguing creatures, with skin so translucent that you can actually see their internal organs. Found in the rainforests of Central and South America, these tiny frogs are named for their see-through bellies, which provide a glimpse into the inner workings of their bodies. Their heartbeats, stomachs, and even the flowing blood vessels are visible to the naked eye. This fascinating feature not only makes them a wonder to behold but also offers scientists a rare opportunity to study amphibian biology in real time without the need for invasive procedures. The transparency of their skin is believed to help them blend into their environment, providing a form of camouflage against predators by mimicking the appearance of a leaf or raindrop. Glass frogs are a reminder of the incredible variety of adaptations found in nature, where even something as seemingly fragile as see-through skin serves a vital purpose in the quest for survival. Sudan's secret: more pyramids than Egypt. When you think of pyramids, Egypt likely comes to mind first. But Sudan, its neighbor to the south, actually boasts more pyramids than Egypt, with over 200 ancient structures in the region of Meroe. These lesser-known pyramids are the remnants of the ancient kingdom of Kush, a civilization that thrived between 2500 BC and 300 AD. Unlike the massive pyramids of Giza, the pyramids of Sudan are smaller and steeper, but they are equally rich in history and mystery. They served as royal tombs, built to honor kings, queens, and other nobles. The intricate carvings and hieroglyphs that adorn these structures reveal stories of power, conquest, and spiritual beliefs that rival those of the pharaohs. Despite their historical significance, Sudan's pyramids remain largely untouched by mass tourism, offering a more intimate glimpse into an ancient world. For those willing to venture off the beaten path, Sudan's pyramids present an opportunity to explore a chapter of history that has been overshadowed for centuries. Hey there, enjoying the fun facts so far? Why not take a second to subscribe to let me share a fun fact? That way, you'll never miss out on more amazing trivia coming your way. Just hit that subscribe button and let's keep exploring together. The true color of Mars, not just red. Mars, known as the red planet, isn't quite as red as it seems. Up close, its soil and dust reveal more of a brownish-pink hue. The reason for its characteristic red appearance from afar lies in the fine layer of iron-rich dust that blankets its surface. When the iron in this dust oxidizes, essentially rusting, it gives Mars that rusty, reddish tint that's so iconic. But if you were to scoop up some Martian soil, you'd find a much more varied palette, closer to earthy tones than pure red. This iron oxide coating reflects sunlight in a way that makes the planet appear red through telescopes, which is why ancient astronomers gave it its fiery name. The red hue has come to symbolize the planet's dry, barren nature, but beneath that dusty surface, Mars holds many more secrets, like frozen water and geological formations that hint at a more complex history. It's a reminder that even the most familiar planets have layers yet to be uncovered. Sequoia roots, nature's underground network. Sequoias, the towering giants of the forest, rely on an impressive underground network of roots to keep them standing tall. Unlike many trees, sequoias don't have a deep taproot. Instead, their roots spread out horizontally, extending up to 30 meters from the base of the tree. This extensive root system provides stability to these massive trees, which can reach heights of over 90 meters. Despite their shallow depth, rarely going deeper than 3 meters, the wide reach of their roots allows sequoias to interlock with the roots of neighboring trees. This interconnection creates a communal support system, helping the trees withstand strong winds and other natural challenges. The roots also play a crucial role in absorbing water and nutrients, ensuring the tree's longevity in the often harsh environment of mountain slopes. This hidden network beneath the forest floor is a testament to the strength and resilience of sequoias, showing that even giants rely on connection and cooperation to thrive. Lion roars, the sound of power across the savanna. A lion's roar is more than just a sound, it's a declaration of territory, a warning, and a way to maintain bonds within the pride. When a lion roars, it can be heard over 8 kilometers away, cutting through the stillness of the savanna like thunder. This powerful vocalization is made possible by a unique structure in the lion's vocal cords, which allows them to produce a deep, resonant sound with less effort. The roar serves multiple purposes. It helps lions communicate with each other over long distances, letting members of the pride know where they are. It also acts as a deterrent to rival lions, signaling that the territory is already claimed. A chorus of roars from a pride can create an awe-inspiring symphony, a reminder of their dominance in the wild. For those who've heard it in person, a lion's roar is an unforgettable experience, one that speaks of the raw power and majesty of these incredible predators. Bahrain, the land of two seas and a legacy of pearls. Bahrain, often referred to as the land of two seas, is a small island nation with a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Its unique name comes from its geographical location, where freshwater springs mix with the salty waters of the Persian Gulf. This natural phenomenon played a crucial role in Bahrain's history as a center for the pearl trade. For centuries, the island's waters produced some of the world's most coveted natural pearls, sought after by royalty and traders from across the globe. Skilled divers would plunge deep into the sea, risking their lives to retrieve these lustrous treasures. The pearl industry not only shaped Bahrain's economy but also its culture and heritage, leaving a lasting legacy that can still be felt today. Though oil has become a dominant industry, the story of Bahrain's pearls remains a proud symbol of its resilience and connection to the sea. It's a place where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly, much like the meeting of its two waters. Elephants, masters of low-frequency communication. Elephants have a remarkable ability to detect and interpret sounds that humans can't even hear. Using their highly sensitive ears and feet, elephants can pick up low-frequency rumbles, known as infrasound, which travel great distances through the ground and air. These rumbles, often too deep for human ears, allow elephants to communicate across distances of up to 10 kilometers. This ability is particularly useful when herds need to stay in contact while searching for food or water. In dry seasons, elephants can use these low-frequency calls to locate distant water sources, guided by signals from other herds. Their sensitivity to vibrations also helps them detect approaching thunderstorms, allowing them to anticipate rain long before it arrives. This intricate communication network is vital for their survival, helping them coordinate movements, warn each other of danger, and even express social bonds. It's a reminder that while we might see them as silent giants, elephants have a rich, hidden language of their own. How antibiotics fight infections, nature's tiny warriors. Antibiotics are among the most powerful tools in modern medicine, helping to combat bacterial infections that once claimed countless lives. These drugs work by targeting specific processes within bacteria, either killing them outright or preventing them from multiplying. One common method is by disrupting the bacteria's ability to build cell walls, which are essential for their survival. Without a proper wall, the bacteria can't maintain their structure and eventually burst. Another approach is to interfere with protein synthesis, preventing bacteria from producing the proteins they need to grow and reproduce. Some antibiotics even target the bacterial DNA, blocking the replication process and ensuring that the infection cannot spread further. What's fascinating is how antibiotics harness the natural defense mechanisms of fungi or other microorganisms, turning them into weapons against harmful bacteria. However, their effectiveness relies on careful use, as overuse can lead to antibiotic resistance, making some infections harder to treat. Understanding how these microscopic warriors work helps us appreciate their role in protecting our health. Spiders' silky skills, masters of multiple threads. Spiders are true artisans when it comes to spinning silk, creating different types of threads for a variety of purposes. Unlike other creatures that produce a single type of silk, spiders can generate several kinds, each with its own unique properties. They use some types to weave the intricate webs we often see, designed to trap unsuspecting prey. But that's just the beginning. They can also produce silk to create secure egg sacs, providing a protective cocoon for their young. Some silk is used as a dragline, a safety tether that helps them escape danger or descend from heights. There's even a type of silk that's extra sticky, perfect for ensuring that prey stays caught in their web. This versatility in silk production gives spiders a significant survival advantage, allowing them to adapt their web-building strategies to different environments and hunting needs. The silk itself is a marvel of natural engineering, being both incredibly strong and flexible. Pound for pound, it's often stronger than steel. Czech Republic, the world's beer capital. When it comes to beer, no one can quite keep up with the Czech Republic. This European country holds the title for the highest beer consumption per capita in the world, a badge of honor that speaks to the deep-rooted beer culture in the region. With a tradition of brewing that dates back over 1,000 years, the Czech Republic is home to some of the oldest and most respected breweries on the planet. The town of Pilsen, even gave its name to the world-famous Pilsner Lager, which has become a global favorite. For Czechs, beer is more than just a drink, it's a way of life, enjoyed with friends in cozy pubs, at lively festivals, or simply as a part of everyday meals. The country's beer culture is so strong that it's often cheaper than bottled water in restaurants. From the rich, malty lagers to the crisp, refreshing pilsners, the Czech Republic's beer tradition is a testament to craftsmanship and a love for the finer things in life. How blood pressure monitors work, the science of the squeeze. Blood pressure monitors, also known as sphygmomanometers, play a crucial role in monitoring heart health, but have you ever wondered how they work? It all starts with the inflatable cuff that wraps snugly around your upper arm. When the cuff inflates, it temporarily stops the blood flow through the artery in your arm. As the air is slowly released, a sensor, often a stethoscope or a digital gauge, detects the sounds or vibrations as blood starts to flow again. The first sound marks your systolic pressure, which is the force of your blood as your heart beats. The point where the sound disappears indicates your diastolic pressure, the pressure in your arteries when your heart is at rest between beats. This process gives two important numbers that reflect how hard your heart is working to pump blood through your arteries. It's a simple yet ingenious device that has helped millions keep track of their cardiovascular health, making it an essential tool in both hospitals and homes. Bosnia and Herzegovina, a sanctuary of ancient forests. Tucked away in Bosnia and Herzegovina is a hidden gem of natural beauty, Prehensile, one of the last remaining primeval forests in Europe. This ancient forest has been untouched for thousands of years, allowing its towering trees and diverse plant life to thrive in an unspoiled environment. Walking through Prehensile is like stepping back in time, with trees that have stood for centuries, some reaching heights of over 60 meters. The forest is home to a rich variety of wildlife, from bears and wolves to rare bird species, making it a paradise for nature lovers and biologists alike. It's a place where nature still follows its own rhythm, largely free from human interference. The dense canopy overhead and the sound of rushing waterfalls create a serene atmosphere that few places in Europe can offer. For those who seek a deeper connection with nature, Prehensile represents a rare opportunity to witness a forest as it might have appeared thousands of years ago. North Korea's denim ban, jeans as a political statement. In North Korea, a pair of blue jeans is more than just casual wear, it's a symbol of Western influence and a forbidden item of clothing. The government has banned blue jeans, considering them an emblem of capitalist decadence and a threat to the regime's strict control over cultural expression. The reasoning behind this ban is rooted in North Korea's rejection of Western ideals, with blue jeans representing the culture of the United States, which is seen as the regime's primary adversary. While other colors of denim might be allowed, the classic blue remains strictly off-limits. This rule extends to both residents and visitors, making it one of the unique aspects of life in the secretive state. The ban on blue jeans is a small but telling example of how the government controls even the smallest aspects of daily life, shaping everything from fashion to entertainment. It's a reminder of how something as simple as a piece of clothing can carry deep political meaning in different parts of the world. The name beer, a toast to ancient origins. The word beer might seem straightforward today, but its origins are steeped in ancient history. The term is believed to come from the Latin word cerevisia, which is thought to have connections to an old deity associated with harvest and brewing. In ancient cultures, beer held a special place, often linked to the gods and celebrations of the harvest season. As brewing techniques spread through Europe, different languages adopted their own versions of the word. For example, the Old English beer and the German bier both share roots with the Latin term. Beer wasn't just a drink, it was a staple of everyday life, safer to drink than water in some eras and considered a gift from the gods. The brewing process has evolved dramatically over millennia, but the ancient respect for beer remains, with every glass carrying echoes of its sacred past. Whether enjoyed in a modern pub or a rustic brewery, beer connects us to a tradition that spans cultures and centuries. And there you have it, incredible fun facts that show just how diverse and surprising our world can be. From the impressive roars of lions to the ancient roots of the word beer, each of these stories has a way of connecting us to the wonders around us. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Did you already know about some of them, or did any catch you completely off guard? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure to drop a comment and let me know what stood out to you. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world's wonders, don't forget to subscribe to let me share a fun fact for even more amazing insights and stories in the future. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.